So mathematical tools is about a brief discussion on some of the mathematical topics up to class 12, which requires a basic working knowledge for problem solving in physics. And its content is composed of basic maths and advanced maths. In basic maths, we have trigonometry equations, graphs, binomial theorem, function, exponential, logarithm. And in advanced maths, we have differential calculus, integral calculus, and vectors. So let's start with basic maths. The topic one is trigonometry. 1.1, trigonometry is about the triangle itself. So suppose the triangle is given to you. These are the sides. ABC angles are alpha, beta, gamma. There is a right angle triangle PBH. So let's focus on the right angle triangle. So in this right angle triangle, the first thing is h square is p square plus b square, which is called the Pythagoras theorem. Here I assume that theta is not equal to 0, 90 or 180. And in fact theta is 90 in this assumption. Then we have sin theta is equals to p by h, cos theta b by h, tan theta b by b, cosec theta 1 by sin theta, which is h by p. Assumption is theta is not equal to 0. Sec theta 1 by cos theta h by b, cot 1 by tan theta b by b. Theta is not equal to 0 over here. Then we have another identities like sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Cosec square theta is equals to 1 plus cot square theta. Sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. And sin theta can also be written as cos theta into tan theta. So these are the basic identities that we need to use to solve questions of physics. Let's see how these are implemented by example 1. So here example 1 is given, the sides are 3 and 4, and you have to calculate. The first thing is the hypotenuse. So applying Pythagoras theorem, we have h square is p square plus b square. So after solving this, we have h square is 25, so h will be 5 over here. Then sin theta is p by h, p is 3, h is 5, so we have sin theta is 3 by 5. And here theta is equal to 37 degree standard value. Cos theta is b by h, which will be 4 by 5. And uh, it is from here we can also calculate cos theta, which is also 37 degree. Now let's do one more example. Here sides are 8, 6 and x. You need to find x. So applying Pythagoras theorem, we have x square is 6 square plus 8 square, and solving it give us x is equal to 10. Sin theta is p by h, 4 by 5, 0.8. Cos theta is b by h, 0.6. Tan theta is p by b, 4 by 3, which is 1.33, and this theta is equal to 53 degree. So we can calculate tan theta by using the formula sin theta by cos theta also. Then we have cosec theta, which is 1 by sin theta, and after solving we get it as 5 by 4. Then sec theta is 1 by cos theta, we get it as 5 by 3. Now there is another example in which sides are 12, 5 and x, and the first question is we need to find x. So x here is root under 5 square plus 12 square, so which gives x as 13. Then sin theta as p by h, so that will be 12 by 13. Cos theta as b by h, that will be 5 by 13. Tan theta is p by b, which will be 12 by 5. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, we already know that it is 1, but we can also verify that by substituting the values. So next is sec square theta minus tan square theta, it is equal to 1. Sec theta is 1 by cos theta, which will be 13 by 5. Then cosec theta will be 1 by sin theta, 13 by 12. Cot theta b by p, 5 by 12. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta. We can substitute the values also, otherwise we know by identity that it is equal to 1. Then cos square theta plus cot square theta, it is 1.347. And sec square theta plus tan square theta, it comes out to be 12.52. Now there is a table of sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Regarding sin theta, sin 0 is 0, sin 30 1 by 2, 45 1 by root 2, 60 root 3 by 2, 91. Regarding cos theta, cos 0 is 1, cos 30 root 3 by 2, 45 1 by root 2, 61 by 2, cos 90 0. Regarding tan 0 is 0, 31 by root 3, 45 1, 60 root 3, and tan infinity not defined or infinity. Then we have certain questions based on that. For example, sin square 30. So sin 30 is 1 by 2. So that will give us 1 by 4. Then sin 30 cos 45. Sin 30 is 1 by root 2 cos 45 1 by root 2. So answer will be 1 by 2 root 2.